we will connect points G to Q using this part of the curve ruler. Okay, so this will be part of the upper hip side seam. Now, on this area, there is a missing line connection from points Q to Z7 or even below Z7. Okay, to blend in the line here and the line here, we will use this side of our curve ruler. We will look for the side of the curve ruler where this line blends in with the line of the curve ruler. So here we will, oh, this is too much. As you can see from this line, we're going this way. So we have to look for the side of the ruler where the blending in is smooth. Okay, so from this side of the ruler until here. To show you how well blended this is, we will have to erase the previous line that we made. So this was the original connection from points G to point Q. And now, for the blending in, this will be our line. So this will be the final line of our outer side seam for the back pants pattern. We will be crossing this line out, and this line we will also cross out. So it seems it is better to use this side of the curve ruler. First, as a pattern drafter, you will see what's happening inside of all the lines. So we will blend in the line starting from almost this side of the upper part of the hip, the side seam, going down here. Here, you can see that it blended here, okay, on this area and on this area. This will not cause any bulkiness because the darts will be closed and this will automatically go in also. This will be the final side seam line of the outer seam of the back pants pattern for a 4 darted pants. Okay, now we will get the intersection of the line of the rise or crotch level and the line from point 6 to point 7. And this is it. We will mark this number 19. Okay, now we will connect points number 9 to number 6 using this part of our curve ruler. Okay. You can actually use this other side, but then you won't be seeing what I'm doing. Okay, now we will connect points number 18B to number 19 using this side of our curve ruler. Until point number 19 and extend this line following the curve of the curve ruler until somewhere in the middle from point 9 to point 6. Now to connect this area of the upper hip to that of the lower hip, we will have to blend these two separate lines by using the curve ruler this way. We will look for the smooth connection from this area until point number 19. So we will blend in the two lines this way to get a smooth connection. I will mark this with a red pencil. So you will see the final outline of our side seam. Okay. So this is the final outer side seam of the front part of our pattern with 4 darts. This is 1, 2 darts on the front side of the left leg and 3, 4 darts on the front side of the right leg.